What if the universe's own laws of physics don't actually care whether time moves forward or backward, yet somehow your entire life only ever moves one direction? That's not a philosophical riddle. It's a genuine, unsettling mystery sitting at the very heart of modern physics, and researchers are still working to fully explain it. Here's the strange part. Take the equations describing a swinging pendulum or a planet gracefully orbiting its star. Run those equations backward, and they still work perfectly. Mathematically speaking, nothing in these fundamental laws distinguishes a normal recording of motion from that same motion simply played in reverse. Even Einstein's general relativity and Schrödinger's quantum equation share this same eerie symmetry, treating forward and backward time as mathematically equal, valid possibilities. So here's the burning question. If the universe's basic equations genuinely don't care about direction, why does everyday reality always move firmly, stubbornly forward? You've never watched shattered glass spontaneously reassemble itself or smoke gather backward into a chimney, even though physics technically permits it happening. Researchers explain this apparent contradiction using something called Markovian dynamics, a mathematical framework where each new step depends directly on the step immediately before it. Once a physical system shifts slightly in one particular direction, every following outcome naturally continues along that same established path, chaining forward moment after moment. This creates the powerful illusion of steady one-way progression, even though the underlying fundamental rules themselves never actually demanded that specific direction whatsoever. Physicists also point towards something called entropy, a measure of disorder that statistically tends to increase over time, purely because disordered states vastly outnumber ordered ones. Since our universe began in an extraordinarily low entropy, highly ordered state, disorder naturally increases from that specific starting point, effectively creating time's perceived arrow. Scientists extend this same reasoning to the cosmos itself. As our universe continuously expands, this expansion may help guide matter toward increasing structure and complexity. Regions cool down, structures form, and entropy climbs steadily alongside that expansion, reinforcing this same powerful forward-moving direction across the entire observable universe. So in a strange sense, cosmic expansion and the arrow of time might be far more intimately connected than most people ever casually realize or consider. This remains genuinely active, ongoing research, not a fully settled scientific answer. Physicists are still debating exactly how deeply these two mysteries truly connect. Still, it reveals something wonderfully humbling. The universe's fundamental laws are symmetric, yet reality itself chose one direction, and we're still deciphering exactly why. So tell me below, does knowing time shouldn't have a direction blow your mind? Subscribe and hit the bell for more science that challenges reality itself.